Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to take you down the road to the farm. I'm going to talk to you about portable electric fences. And somebody go, why do I need a portable electric fence? Well, if you ever decide to grow chickens, raise chickens, or goats, turkeys, or any small animal. They even work on cows as well. These small portable electric fences come in 3 foot high, 4 foot high, and 50-foot lengths, 100-foot lengths, etc. And you can connect them together to make longer. You can set up an area where you can grow like you do your chickens, and you can have them work in the one area, and you can move them over the next day, or a couple days later, move them over. Every couple days, you can move them around, so they eat all the bugs in the soil. They scratch up the soil, turn it over, poop on the soil, turn their poop into the soil there, and they move around, and you can build an area that is more viable and more healthy soil for you, for your garden, for your lawn, whatever, and you can just make it all better. Plus, you get eggs if you're raising turkeys, chickens, ducks, geese, whatever, and you also get meat birds as well. Something for you to think about. I'm not saying you have to go out and get these fences. This gives you an option of, oh, I need to raise some chickens, but I don't know how to contain them. Well, this works. And if they keep moving around, they don't wind up flying out of it, trying to fly out of it because, hey, they're we're in the new spot. We got more food here to eat, and they're not trying to find something better. All right. Oh, it also works good for pigs as well if you have 1 or 2 pigs. All righty. So that's an idea for you to think about. Think about if it's something you want to do. I'm going to leave the link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. I do gardening and that stuff over there. I'm going to leave the link to the playlist, Prepping for Beginners here, and Prepping for in Private down here, and a video down here about sharing prepping information. All right? And trust me, you want to get those that know you're prepping to prep too, so they don't come after your stuff, and, well, this happens.